You're viewing CCN TV6.
Cheyenne, Cheyenne, where will you be camping tonight? Lonely man, Cheyenne, will your heart stay free and light? Cheyenne, Cheyenne.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the North American Aerospace Defense Command and the Government of Trinidad and Tobago, to participate in the National Emergency Alert System. This is not a test. At 1:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NORAD radar has detected the launch of 30 nuclear missiles that have been launched from North Korea and China. These missiles are believed to impact Trinidad and Tobago and other countries around the world. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. The following cities in the United States and around the world are likely to be impacted within the next 20 to 30 minutes. West Palm Beach, United States; Los Angeles, United States; Indianapolis, United States; Detroit, United States; Juneau, United States; Toronto, Canada; Ottawa, Canada; Mexico City, Mexico; Tijuana, Mexico; Guanajuato, Mexico; Acapulco, Mexico; Guatemala City, Guatemala; San Salvador, El Salvador; Huachavan, El Salvador; Managua, Nicaragua; Panama City, Panama; Bogotá, Colombia; Antioquia, Colombia; Medellín, Colombia; Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic; Santiago de los Caballeros, Dominican Republic; Havana, Cuba; Oslo, Norway; London, United Kingdom; Madrid, Spain; Warsaw, Poland; Rome, Italy; Istanbul, Turkey; Berlin, Germany; Moscow, Russia; Chicago, United States; Kansas City, United States; St. Louis, United States; San Francisco, United States; Washington, D.C., United States; Lima, Peru; La Paz, Bolivia; Guayaquil, Ecuador; Mayas, Ecuador; Plain Comachín, or Caracas, Venezuela; Santiago, Chile; San Jose, Costa Rica; Montevideo, Uruguay; Buenos Aires, Argentina; Port of the Argentina; Sao Paulo, Brazil; Brazilian, Brazil; Rio de Janeiro, Brazil; Tbilisi, Georgia; Athens, Greece; Lisbon, Portugal; Cairo, Egypt; New Delhi, India; Bombay, India; Jakarta, Indonesia; Tehran, Iran; Tel Aviv, Israel; Tokyo, Japan; Seoul, South Korea; Naypyidaw, Burma; Bangkok, Thailand; Manila, Philippines; Srijayawardene, Purakat, Sri Lanka, Singapore; Riyadh, Saudi Arabia; Karachi, Pakistan; Ulaanbaatar, or Mongolia; Tashkent, Uzbekistan; Azkaban, Turkmenistan; Hanoi, Vietnam; Lagos, Nigeria; Cape Town, South Africa; Bissau, Guinea-Bissau; Angelina, Chad; Algiers, Algeria; Monrovia, Liberia; Sydney, Australia; Canberra, Australia; San Fernando, Trinidad and Tobago; Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago; Arima, Trinidad and Tobago; and Auckland, New Zealand. All residents who are living within a 500-mile radius of the projected locations of these countries in Trinidad and Tobago are asked to seek a fallout shelter now. If you don't have access to a fallout shelter, get as far underground as you can. Make sure to have at least 14 days of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Do not leave your fallout shelter, because if you leave it will result in certain death. Do not attempt to pick up relatives from schools or hospitals, as they have their evacuation procedures. The President will speak at all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has been interrupted our regular programming at the request to the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCCN, and we will continue to serve the Port of Spain area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to stations providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Port of Spain area. Do not use your telephone. All telephones lines should be kept open for emergency use only. The National Emergency Alert System has been activated. Stand by for the national anthem.